HIMS stock analysis and HIMS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which just film in the video till the end to find out. Especially looking at HIMS and HERS stock, I actually quite like where we are. I know it's just so choppy, you know, it's just up and down, up and down, up and down. But I myself, actually having documented 42,000 videos of seeing what's making me money and what's not. Specifically now, if I check my Discord, you can see in the trade alert section, 31st of March is when I called it out to the dot. You might think I'm lying to you. Like, look at this. Sitting at 29, I was expecting $72 tap. And that's what chart? Like 2 hour? Yeah, that's the 2 hour chart. Bro, look at this. Since then, it's like a risk-free now, you know, got the confirmations and whatnot. It's a runner. Here, like I said, it shouldn't be breaking neither beneath like 54 bucks. And then if that does happen, then I'm going to be recording this on -1 hour. In the meantime, I'm just waiting, you know, just waiting, really expecting, have high hopes for Monday. But we're going to see. If you do want, this is not financial advice. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5K per month, 10K per month trading, and want to stay tuned with HIMS, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights.